So it is a scorcher out here today. So this is our garlic, and it's actually going to be ready to be pulled soon. It is literally so hot out here today. So this is the garlic bed. You have to forgive the camera work here because I'm trying to actually just show you the whole thing. And I have pulled most of the garlic scapes already on this, but here, for example, is what one looks like. If you can see this, it comes up and it twirls around like this, and these are called garlic scapes, and it's garlic scapes, and it just grows on hardneck garlic. So what you do is you'll just come in and snap this back, and when I use these, I'll actually take this part here off with the little bulb. That's where the seeds will grow. So I'll just take that off. I wash them up. I'm just going to check now to see if there are any more that I left in here, because as I said, I've pulled most of them already. Now, this garlic, I will probably pull it out next week. What you'll actually wait for is you'll wait for the leaves to start dying back. And so here we have one. Down here there's another leaf that has died back. So once you've had 3 or 4 leaves that have died back, you'll know that your garlic is pretty much finished. It's not going to grow too much more than that. So some of my bulbs look all right. There's still a lot of weeds in here. It seems like the weeds just come out of nowhere. But at this point, I'm really not too worried about it. I was going to try and give it another feed of fertilizer. But I don't even think I'm going to bother with that because this is going to be ready to come out next week, like I said. So when I pull it, I'll actually do a video of that, but when I pull it, I actually put it on some racks and I let it cure or dry for a week and a half, 2 weeks, and then I'll clean it up and it's all set to store. So that's it. I see a little chipmunk over there. I don't know if you could see it or not. Little on the feeder. I was going to actually do a garden tour today. There's one of my veggie beds there. We're getting some cucumbers and beans that are climbing. I was going to, like I said, do a garden tour today and just show you some of the things that we have growing. But I think it's a little too warm, to be honest. Like, it is sweltering out here. It has to be close to 40 with the humidex. Oh my heavens.